Hi, this is Ken from Ciro. I want to show you our new Shock and Awe 2.0 system. What you see right now is the microphone feature, which is brand new with Shock and Awe 2.0. As you speak, or it uses your phone, any sound that it hears, it reacts to the sound and it makes the light flash. If you talk quietly, it makes one color. As soon as you go louder, you can set it to be a brighter color. So let me show you some of the other new features we've got with Shock and Awe 2.0. I think you're really going to like it. If you're familiar with our Shock and Awe 1.0 version, the first version we came out a few years ago, you'll remember all of the features we had back there. You can make it flash and breathe and all that. You still have all of the features that you have in Shock and Awe 1 in Shock and Awe 2.0. You also have added features like the microphone feature we just showed you. There's a color match feature which you can use your camera in your phone and you aim it at a color and it matches the color. We have also 3 channels now instead of just the single channel. If you notice on this bike, the dashboard's purple and it's just on. We've got green flashing lights in the back while the engine and the front wheel are doing something different. One great feature also we've added is the brake feature. So no matter what it's doing, when you hit the brake, everything turns red. But it's a pretty neat feature. There's still more though. This is our new race mode. This is pretty exciting. It uses the GPS on your phone to actually time your bike or your car or anything. Actually, you can use this with anything. But you can do a 0-60 time. These are adjustable. You can go 0 to 30, 0-60, 0 to 100, quarter mile, eighth mile, distance. It tells you the time, the speed that you went, your top speed. You can go in here and then you hit. This puts you in another window, and this is G-forces, so you can measure your G-forces as you're driving or as you launch. It'll launch the timer as the G-force starts too. So we'll go back to signal start here, and this is just like at a drag strip. So you simply hit your start button, and it gets you set up and ready to go. Now if you go too fast, you'll red light, and you'll get the red light, and you'll have to start over. So that's the race mode. There's a lot more you can be doing with it, and it's very exciting. So hope you like that. Another new feature that we have on the Shock and Awe 2.0 is the settings feature, and this is new. So when you come up here, one of the things that we've done is we've made it so your current voltage is monitored on your bike, so you can make sure that your bike does not, the battery doesn't run out when you need to start it back up and go home. So there's a low battery voltage protection here, and this is adjustable. You can adjust it however you want to whatever voltage, and it'll shut the system off when it gets to that voltage. This also allows the brake function to be turned on and off. So if you want the lights all turn red, you turn it on when you hit the brakes, and if you don't, if you turn that off, it'll just stay the way it is. Next, we have our official website you can get to right from the app. You can email us right from the app with questions or anything like that. We have a full lifetime warranty on all our L.E.D systems, so you can buy with confidence knowing that we're going to stand behind our product. So that's basically it in a nutshell. Once you get it and play with it, I'm sure you'll find all kinds of new stuff to do with it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you next time.